Alright, there we go. Had this car about 5 months now. Has been running for about 13 years. Previous owner had it in his garage, parked, completely bone stock, all-wheel drive, automatic Talon. So put it together took me about 2 months. Okay, ordering parts and shit for the past 5 months. Kind of nice putting cars getting back on the road. This thing hasn't been driven for a while, so let's just start a video, see what happens. Alright. Haven't hooked up the oil pressure gauge, so still need to hook up one more mount to the front. Sounds pretty good. Got no leaks. Nope, no leaks. I'll do the coolant here in a bit. It's cool. Alright, we got throttle response. Turbo was new. Still dirty in here, but I'll clean it all up tomorrow. Trying to get it ready for the MOD in July, so 2013. I wasn't able to bring a car last year, so at least this year I'll bring a car. I messed up the motor last year, so I'm trying to fix it, but this year at least I'll show up with something. Tags on here used to be 2,000, but I got these ones. It's on some 1600cc injectors, 255 wall barrel. Fuel system's gonna change here by next month or two, but it'll be ready. Getting a stock fuel filter. Add another slim fan on there. I don't like just one. Those things aren't very reliable. You know, it's really dirty in here, but I'll have it cleaned up here soon. Don't worry, I didn't use that oil filter. I got that free. Got that on ECMLink here. See, gauges aren't really working. Let me hook